It is Sunday, January 21st, 5:37 p.m. I just stepped outside to check on something because I was lying down very comfortably inside. An idea just came to my mind. So I am just out here to see how well I can execute that idea that came across to my mind. All right, so right here, guys, I have some half of 55-gallon barrels that I have been preparing to grow some cabbages and other stuff in them. I've already planted some beans and kale in this one. This one is, well, it is not empty because I have one is it cabbage or kale? I am not even sure. But I do have something down in here. All right, so this is what it is. I think it is a kale. So what I was thinking about, guys, I want to grow some sugar snap peas. All right, so this morning I transplanted 2 sugar snap peas. This is one and this is one. So I have discovered that they do not like heat at all. And since this coconut tree, I always use the word cascading because it is cascading. It is going to the right and to the left, and it is going vertical, hence making a beautiful little covering here for whatever should be planted underneath it. So, all right, so I have these 4 pieces of bamboo stakes. In my hand, I have this piece of irrigation tubing. So the thought came to me to actually make a trellis for the sugar snap peas. And this is what I'm going to do. So I'm just putting this like that. And I have another piece in my hand. And I'm going to put it like that. Oops. So I think I should put the shorter one on the inside. Got it. Okay. So here I now have this cute looking thing for my sugar snap peas. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I think I will be getting some zip ties to tie this right in the middle here to keep it stabilized. And I will also be putting another one in here over this cabbage so I can grow more sugar snap peas. I really don't want them to get too tall. So this is what I am going to do. All right. Okay, guys. So go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you think about my trellis that I just made for my sugar snap peas. Yummy! By the way, guys, if this is your first time joining me, this is the Glades Garden Girl over here in Zone 10A, Florida. Oh my goodness gracious. Yes, guys. So go ahead. Comment down below as I stated, and remember to share. Sharing is caring. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And always remember that the Glades Garden Girl Container Garden is not only for sowing, planting, and reaping. We are here to have fun. We are here to share our thoughts, our inspirations, and ideas, whatever. Cheer up each other. You know what I mean? Yeah, so guys, I am going back inside now to get the other pieces of tubes that I have, and I will just make my other trellis right now, and then I am going inside to sow the peas. Isn't that weird? I actually made the trellis before I even sow the peas. Oh my gosh, but that is how it is sometimes. You get an idea, you just work at it right away. If you think you're not going to remember, write it down, but um I like to act right away sometimes. Let me grab my other piece of tubes and see if I can just make this other thing real quickly. Okay, so here it is. Kept my words. I made the other one. All right, so take a quick look. Here it is, my sugar snap peas trellis, looking so sweet. Gosh, I could actually put another one in the center, but I have my cabbage in there, and I think this is how I'm gonna start making my trellises. Instead of spending $4 on just one of this, I'm going to get some bamboo sticks, cut them in two, and buy another roll of irrigation tubing, and I can make multiple trellises. Oh gosh, I can't stop looking at it. It looks so nice, especially with this crisscross in the middle right here. Isn't it lovely, guys? So I am going to sow 4 and 4, 8. As a matter of fact, I am going to sow more than 8. Not sure how many. All right, guys, so I think this is enough for you. All right, so here it is from this side. What are your thoughts, guys? What are your thoughts? All right, so guys, with much thought and careful consideration, I have decided to sow the sugar snap peas directly in the soil right now. And these peas, I got them at the dollar store, 4 packs for $1.25. So let me go ahead and just throw some in my hand right now. Okay, you should all see how the peas will be going down. So what I'm gonna do, I am going to add 2 seeds to each hole, and one is actually for security, guys, in case one doesn't germinate. I won't have to wait to sow more seeds to plant them right here. So that's 2, 4, and the depth that I am planting them, it looks like about 1 inch. I didn't read the pack to see how many days before I can get sugar snap peas to eat, but I will be checking on that in a minute. This spot is a little bit tight because I have a bottle right there, but I think I can do it. Only hope I don't lose any of the peas. Alright, so let me see. Alright, did I bring my water bottle? Let me check. Alright, it's right here. So I am going to water them. Right now, guys, the weather is so unpredictable over here in Florida, Belle Glade, Florida. I am not sure about other areas, but today we actually got a little sun in the afternoon. Yeah, I had some some seedlings inside, and I took them outside to get some sunlight. Alright guys, so let me just go ahead and sow the seeds. Yeah, so awkward when you don't have the right tool to do your work. Yeah, my tripod is not at home. Actually, it's not even mine. It belongs to my daughter. But after all, she gave it to me and then she borrowed it. That's how our kids are, right? Yeah, they give stuff to their mamas and their papas and then they come right back for it. Alright, okay. Oh no, you don't. Oh no. You too greedy. You want all of 3. No. Oh. Gotta learn to share now. Gotta learn to share. Alright, so there I have it, all 8. I don't even think these were sown deep enough, but it's alright. I can always add more soil on top of them if needs be. Yeah, but there I have it, guys. Let us see how long it's gonna take to burst the soil and start growing. Okay, alright, look at this. Oh. So I guess the these are not long enough to keep coming off. But anyways, that's basically it. Alright, so see you soon in another video. Oh Lord have mercy.